Hello everyone. Today we will learn Urdu alphabet Te and its sound. Let's get started. I will start from here. With two dots. Te and its sound is the. Watch it again. Te. The sound is the. Now pause the video and practice it. Now I will write its examples. Te, Tara. In English, we say star, and in Urdu, we say Tara. Te, tum, and its English meaning is you. So, let's repeat the video. Urdu alphabet Te. Its sound is the, te, the. Urdu word Tara and its English meaning is star. Urdu word tum and its meaning is you. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel for more educational content like this.